guys, welcome back to Samara Builds, where I'm building a better life. Just hit subscribe because if you clicked on this video, I know you like style, I know you wear scrubs. We have two things in common already. Best friends? Maybe we'll get there, who knows. Today I'm going to show you how I have learned to style scrubs over the years. I searched this topic a long time ago and couldn't find anything about it, so I have taught myself over the years of how to make scrubs actually look cute. It is possible. Most days at work, I don't wear any makeup and I don't really get ready. Honestly, if my coworkers see this, they're gonna be like, girl, you never get ready. But I do like to have a well put together outfit on some days. Some days it's just throw on whatever I can grab first, right? But some days I want to put in that little bit of effort into my outfit because it helps me feel better. And we spend most of our time at work. Most of us work, 40 hours a week. It's a huge chunk of our week, and so why not feel good about the way you look? So let's just hop right into it. Boom, boom, boom. Here we go. Obviously, I'm starting with the most strict dress code where you're going to have to wear one color, including your undershirt. And with this, I would say have fun with the texture of that undershirt. Here I'm wearing mesh, which is great because it keeps me warm without making me too hot. But play with that texture of that undershirt if it has to be that one color. Next, play with sizing. So this clearly isn't a scrub top, but I'm just using it to show you. Try something oversized, a little bit baggy, to play with proportion a little bit. Here I am with a fitted pant and an oversized shirt. It adds just a little bit of difference to the everyday same color. And then here, while these aren't matching perfectly in their hue, you get the point, where you can try switching out your scrub top for a sweatshirt sweater type, if you are allowed to do that. But try mixing and matching at least just different brands of scrubs or textures. Little cheerleading move there for you, and you're welcome for this. Now to the minimalist strict. So this means that you have to wear a matching scrub and top bottom, but you can choose the colors. And for this, I would say have fun with your colors and then try pairing it with a jacket that's a different color. Maybe something complementary, still comfortable, still warm, something you can dance in for sure, right? And then my next best tip is wear a cute jacket that's not like a scrub or athletic one. Don't wear sunglasses, but honestly, this is how cool and powerful you're gonna feel if you wear a freaking cute jacket to work with your scrubs. 10 for 10, recommend. Do it every day. Okay, so also have fun with your undershirt. So this is a multi-pattern waffle texture shirt from Free People that I love. Keeps me very warm. It's so many different colors. It does not have to match your outfit perfectly. I'm gonna say that again. It doesn't have to match perfectly. Nobody's keeping score. As long as it's just you're confident and feeling good, it's gonna be cute. So really have fun with the colors that you're wearing. Also, just make sure you're dancing every second of the day. Cool. Here we go into the party zone, the least strict. So I'm showing you here, just mix and match. Clearly this top and these bottoms don't match at all, but I paired it with this, once again, mesh shirt that has the mint green with the burnt orange that ties it all together. And I personally love this outfit. It's one of my favorites. Just have fun with your colors. Once again, mixing and matching. So this time I'm just doing scrub bottoms with more of a regular undershirt and a mismatched jacket because once again, nobody cares, nobody's keeping score. It's as long as you feel cute, nobody cares if you match. And then if you're afraid of color, you can still go for the neutrals. So I have this brown oversized scrub top with these gray bottoms, and even though they don't match, guess what? Feel like a cutie pie. While I do have scrub sets that have matching tops and bottoms, a lot of the places I've worked have just been like, just wear scrubs. We don't care about the rest. And so when I've worked places like that, I'm able to mix and match. My tip for that is to go to the scrub store and just shop in the clearance section, because you can get stuff super cheap, but you will just get like a shirt or a pair of pants that doesn't have the matching top. But if you're into mixing and matching, trying different things, it could be just a really good way to save money, because scrubs can be expensive. Just a little money tip there for you. I didn't even get in very much to like shoes and accessories. I can make a whole other video about those things, but I think you guys kind of have that figured out. Like bright shoes can be super fun. If you're allowed to wear accessories, they can be fun. Just whatever your style is, let it shine however you can. Like my thought is, if you get like the rules changed about how to dress because your outfit is just like too awesome, that's cool, right? Like that's the goal. You want to like have such a radical outfit that you're giving people heart attacks, right? I mean, maybe that's not everyone's goal. Maybe it shouldn't be mine, but it is. Try to stop me. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have an awesome day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with all your scrub buddies. And have a good one, guys. Thank you. I respect everybody who wears scrubs. Doctors, nurses, CNAs, lunch ladies, just everybody. I love it. But let's all try to look, I mean, if you want to, try to look cute. If you don't want to, fine. Do whatever you want to do. That's all I'm trying to say. Do what you want to do. Hello. So well lit, so bright. Can you hear me? Do I need to talk louder? Louder? Louder. How much should I sing?